Are you looking for a copy-paste affiliate marketing site that pays you instantly? Maybe you're tired of waiting weeks for commissions to clear or spending hours on manual work that doesn't pay off. I get it. I felt the same way and was so frustrated trying to find something that actually worked. That's why today I'm going to share with you a copy-paste site that literally pays you instantly. But first, let me show you some proof. Now I'm inside of my Stripe account, which is similar to PayPal and Cash App. And with this copy paste site, you can actually choose however you want to collect the payments. I just use Stripe. You can see right here, succeeded, $900 payment, $450, $450, $900, and I can just go on. And these were instantly paid into this account, which I then transferred to my bank account. Now, these are things to look for in a good affiliate site to promote. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing for close to 10 years now, and these are the things I always look for. And then I'm going to share with you my top recommended site that you can actually swipe and deploy. Number one is instant payouts, okay? So we do not want to be waiting weeks. If you've ever tried promoting something with maybe ClickBank or JVZoo, you know the pain of actually going out there, referring someone, and then having to wait 2 weeks or even more to get paid. So we want something that's ideally as close to instant as possible, which this will be. High commissions, okay? So we want to make money that is a good amount for the work we're doing, right? If we're gonna go out there and promote something, why not make as much money as possible? Now, the higher you get, there is actually a problem, okay? So if you try to promote something that's, $3,000, $5,000, it actually takes a lot more relationship building, and often you may even have to get on the phone with people. So I'm gonna share with you why it's best to actually stay within $300 to about $900 amounts per commission if you want as little work as possible, but you want to make the most amount of money, because people will still go to a website and decide to buy up to about $900, maybe even a little bit more than that, but without having to really talk to many people or get on the phone and things. So this is what I always look for. Simple setup, perfect for beginners. So when you go out there, maybe you're someone that doesn't have a lot of experience, right? Maybe you're someone that is searching for really an easy affiliate site that's more copy paste, that's more done for you, so you can just start getting money coming in as fast as possible. So this that I will share with you in a second is that thing. And then done for you assets. So even me, after being online for a while and doing this, I still look for sites and programs to join and promote that have autopilot funnels built in, right? Something that's gonna actually capture my prospects' email addresses and follow up with them through automation. Also, copy-paste templates. So I like joining programs that the creator has already generated advertisements to post online, or templates when it comes to creating content. This is gonna make your job way easier. So now, first off, how does this site that I'll share in just a second actually work with instant payments? So again, this is actually PayPal right here. If you prefer getting paid through PayPal or Cash App or Zelle or whatever method you want, the way it works is when someone goes to your link inside of this program that you'll get access to, and they purchase one of the levels of products, okay, there's 4 main levels, you will get paid instantly and directly, okay? Because when you actually get started with this program, you'll get access to something called master resale rights, which gives you the right to resell these products as your own. Unlike typical affiliate marketing, where you have to give away 50% or more of the money you earned, this, you get to keep 100% commissions, and you can actually get paid directly into your PayPal account, allowing you to get, like I said, 100% commissions and paid instantly. Now, there's gonna be a link directly below this video that will take you to a blueprint that will actually walk you through setting up this site and getting access to the funnel and all the assets and things like that. But I want to share with you a little bit more information. So the way this program and this site basically works, and it's called the Legacy Builder program. Maybe you've seen the massive buzz online. What they give you is, first off, a funnel. Okay, so they will actually give you a page like this that you can promote, and using the copy paste ads and templates they give you and the different training, to get as many people going to this page as possible. And what happens is when they go to this page that's very high converting, and they put their email into this box right here and they submit it, okay, it's now going to take them through a journey working to convert that person into a sale. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to work on getting as many people going to this page as possible. Like I said, there's training inside when you get started with the program using the blueprint at the link below. But there's also training on my channel, on this YouTube channel, that you can go into as well on how to promote and things like that. But you can really promote on any platform such as, Facebook, TikTok, that you actually choose. Now, the way this copy paste site and done for you process works is right here. Okay, so basically there's 3 main steps. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to first off attract your perfect customers to you. Okay, this is typically, the affiliate marketing where you're basically posting. But what we're going to do is we're going to post ads on high traffic websites. Okay, websites that are basically free to post advertisements on. Okay, you can think about like Craigslist, but there's actually free sites that we know of that we'll share with you on the inside. And then you want to post 3 pieces of content more or less, and you can choose, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. And you can use, again, the copy paste templates to easily create content in about, an hour or so a day. You post that on there. When people actually start responding to that content, they're interested, okay, because that's what the content will do, is generate interest. You then just send them the link to your capture page. Okay, again, it's going to look something like this. There's different versions, but this is an example. When they put their email in, they're going to get taken to the sales page. Okay, and if they decide to buy right away on one of the levels, you'll actually get paid instantly into, again, a PayPal, Cash App, however you choose, which you can then move to your bank account. Now, if they don't buy right away, again, when they put their email into your page, they're going to get added to an email autoresponder that's actually free inside of this program. And it will start following up 1 email per day, sending people back to the sales page. And when they actually decide to buy, you are going to earn commissions. Now, I just want to share with you some results of other people that are actually using this copy paste site that are getting absolutely incredible results. So you can see what's possible. John right here, 3 days ago, another $900 today. Okay, and that's $1,800 in 3 days. Okay, this person right here, right? You can see Rick, $2,700 in less than 12 days. Okay, this person here, $900 during lunch. Okay, because once that autopilot process is set up, it will start creating sales for you. Just maybe one more right here. We got paid 7 days in and we experienced our first win, $1,500. Okay. Thank God it's Friday. Woke up to $900 and $4,300 the last 7 days. Okay, so that's absolutely amazing. So again, some more benefits of this site, why this is really perfect after my years online. Number 1, there's no tech skills required. Like I said, you will get access to that done for you automated funnel that will start following up and closing your leads for you. It's only 1 or 2 hours a day needed. Like I said, the more you do this, the faster it's going to get. I have this down to about 30 minutes a day. Do the copy paste process. If you want to create, some of that content as well, then you want to focus on that. And it works globally with just Wi-Fi. So this really is a worldwide site. Anyone can use this. We have people from South Africa, people from the United Kingdom, people from around the world using this incredibly powerful site to start to generate commissions. So if you're watching this and you want to learn exactly how to implement this copy paste affiliate site so you can start to generate autopilot commissions as well, go to the link directly below. You'll get taken to a page that looks something like this. Put in your best email and I will automatically send you an email with the link to this private blueprint that walks you through step-by-step how to set up everything so you can get the best results as fast and as easy as possible. If you got value in this video, like this video to tell me to make more, subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest videos going even deeper. And I look forward to seeing you very soon, my friend. Take care.